Hey, what's up guys? Guess where I'm at? I'm actually in Puerto Vallarta, Jalisco. Oh my goodness, the waves are so close to me. I know I'm doing off my phone because I left my tripod back home in Los Angeles. I missed everything. It was kind of like a last minute thing, an impulsive type of thing to come out here and travel. But I'm able to travel and work from home as long as there's, Wi-Fi. I'm all good and I can travel wherever I want. One of my best advice to anybody who's 20 years old is start making money fast. The last thing you want to do is have to depend on your parents, depend on family members, depend on others to pay your bills, pay everything else. You got to start getting your money up and you got to start leveling up quickly. The last thing you want to do is be 35, 40 years old, not have any money, have nothing to your name, have no assets, have no home, still don't have any of your finances right. You need to start taking risks now. The reason why it's super important to start taking risks now is because let's say you fail. I mean, if you have family members, you have someone who can, help you out when things get rough so you can bounce back. If you fail once, you need to fall back in your parents' place. I'm guessing they're more than likely okay with it. I don't think they'd be okay with it if you're just leeching off them, you're getting money, you're spending it on stupid shit. As long as you tell your parents, maybe they'll be understanding. You say, hey, you know what? I'm starting a business, I'm starting trading, I'm starting this, I'm starting that. I'm gonna need a little bit of help. I hope you guys can understand. Do you mind if I live here rent-free while I'm starting my business until I get everything profitable and running? There's pretty much a big percentage that they would go ahead and say yes to that. But as long as you fall back and you fail, at least you're not really losing anything. Now, if you guys have car notes, you guys have all these bills, all these expenses. I've never been in that situation before. I built all my stuff before I even put any expenses on me, before I even had any of those, rent anywhere, whatever it is. So I can't really tell you for that, other than it's gonna be a lot harder. You guys wanna take a lot of courses too. You guys wanna educate yourself. You guys wanna be knowledgeable. If you guys wanna learn how to code, get a book on coding. You guys wanna learn how to invest. Get someone like me to teach you how to invest in the stock market, how to invest in Forex, learn how to build websites. Take as many courses as you can. Start buying as many courses as you can as well. Knowledge is power. I mean, the people on the other side, if you want to go get a job, let's say you want to get a job, the guy who doesn't have the most knowledge is not going to be able to get that job. You guys want to educate yourself. It is super important that you guys educate yourself. If you don't educate yourself, then really, what are you doing? I mean, at the end of the day, we're all young. We all can take a lot of risks. You want to take as many risks as you can because you never know. If you keep on failing, eventually you're going to fail yourself to the top, just like I did.